All right, we're gonna moving on here. Unit 5, Lesson 1, Problem 1.3. We're asked to draw the two-dimensional shape that, when rotated using the given axis of rotation, produces each solid of rotation. So I look at this vase over here, and I know it's hollow. And since it's hollow, what I need to do is I need to make sure that I don't close any openings when I draw it. So this shape, to me, is going to kind of go like this. It's going to start at the top. It's going to go in toward the axis of rotation. I wasn't drawn. It's going to start at the top, go in towards the axis of rotation, come back out all the way down. And since it's a vase that's closed on the bottom, I know that I need to go over and touch the axis of rotation. So this is kind of what I envision that vase looking like if we rotate that shape around this axis of rotation. On to the second one. We're on the back of your paper. We got this wedding cake. Now I know the wedding cake is solid, so what I want to do is I want to make sure I'm touching the axis of rotation at the top. Here's the first tier, second tier, third tier, and then the last tier, and then it comes over and it touches on the bottom. So if I rotate this, I should get what appears to be that wedding cake. Moving on. This dumbbell, that's going to be kind of tougher. So we'll have this little piece here will be the collar right there. And then we're going to come up and we're going to get little piece. There's the collar, and then I got two smaller looking, hard to do on the computer, two smaller dumbbells, then two bigger dumbbells. Try again. Two smaller ones. The two bigger ones. Now this one I need to stop because I need to have that handle. There's the handle, and then we got the two bigger dumbbells. And the two smaller dumbbells, and then that collar at the other end. So if I rotate this, that's kind of what this dumbbell will look like. All right.